Hi guys. Oh my god. What the Hi guys. Anyways, I am back with another video. It's been a while. How are you guys doing? Haven't seen you since before I left for basic. Sorry it's been a while. So today I'm gonna be applying a wig. As you just saw, I took my donut out. I wear the donut. Well, I made the donut so I could make, the perfect donut shape for my bun. I want to have the most sleek, perfect, professional bun. So, yeah, took that out, and I'm just going to be brushing my hair so I could braid it. You don't want to have your hair nappy when you braid it. It's science, okay? So, yeah, I'm just brushing my hair, and then I'm going to keep brushing it. Now I'm reaching for my little thingy so I can section it off, make this part more crisp so I can have a even amount of hair on each side so these braids won't be looking, lopsided and weird because, you have to braid your hair down before you slap on a wig on your fucking face, head, scalp, forehead, whatever. So, yeah, I'm just going to braid my hair off camera and I will get back with you all when I am done, okay? Boom! I'm back. Hair braided, slick back, and I like it like that. You heard me? Okay. So what we're going to do is pin my braids up, pin my hair back, slick it back, whatever else I need to do before we get this thing officially started, okay? So I will get back with y'all when I am done with this whole Brady mess process, okay? Okay. Okay, so I'm done with my hair and all of that. Let me just grab the wig. Got it. Boom. Like it. It's from Amazon. Yep, I do not really order my hair from the direct websites or whatever. But I will leave the link to this wig in the description if I can find it. This is a 24-inch deep wave. It's the really curly wig or whatever. As you can see, me struggling just to get the damn wig out of the fucking box. Life. So yeah, I'll be back with y'all when I put this damn thing on my head, okay? Okay. Boom, I got the wig on. How you doing? Cheese, strike a pose, whatnot. Anyways, as you can see, I did the little edges or whatever. So I look like a fucking cave bitch. Look like a damn caveman bitch. Let me go get the damn water spray bottle and a towel. I gotta put the towel on the floor so just in case my roommates walk in, they don't slip, fall, and bust their ass. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Just spraying it because that's what you do to this type of hair to really, get the full effect of all the luxurious curls, And to be honest, my hair type is this damn wig, if that makes sense. I have this hair type. Like, my natural hair looks just like this shit. Okay, well, when this wig is wet or whatever. But my hair is just shorter than the wig, obviously. And, I don't really like having short hair. I want my hair to be about as long as this wig. 24 inches to my bootay. And just, I just want to have really long hair. Is that a crime? I don't think so. So, yeah, I'm just wetting it. Wetting it all around so I can have every single width, inch, length, fucking circumference, whatever of this damn wig wet, nice and curly, and just beautiful. Okay? Okay. You get me? So, as you see, just brushing it as I go, because that's just what you got to do to weave. Like, you got to brush that shit, make sure it's not nappy, you know what I'm saying? Okay? Okay. You get me? So, yeah, I'm just going to do the other side whenever the fuck I get done with this side. And, yeah, I'm going to be back because I know y'all tired of me just talking in y'all damn ear for no reason. And I keep on using profanity because I don't know why. I should have joined the fucking Navy instead of the goddamn Army if I'm gonna sit here and cuss like this. Oh my God, I have a potty mouth. I'm a sailor. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Bye.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and one, yeah, yeah. Isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let